Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 122 of building the Ecto-1. This is a short build episode, so I'll get through this quite quickly, and I'm not going to be able to show you a great deal of it anyway, because the car is now huge, officially. But what I'm going to be doing is fitting the kick plates. Now, they are all different. They look two of them look the same, and two of them look very similar. There's a cutout piece on that one. But the screw holes are in different places on both of these. They're sort of the same like that, but obviously that way that's much closer to the end than that one. But first of all, we need to bend these to 90 degrees. So they are pre-scored, so it should be easy, and I've just cut myself on that one. Don't slide your fingers along them because it hurts. Yes, I shall push that down on something hard to get a 90-degree bend at that fold there and try not to bleed on it. But other than that, it's just a case of getting that in the right place on the car. We've got different screws that go in the top. RP screws go in the top, those ones, and AM on the front on there to hold them in place. I shall get them done and show you what it looks like as much I can on the camera angles, and then I shall have a look through the magazine. Okay, so here we go, issue 32. This issue, we've done all the building of this one, so you know what's what. We've got the parts 1920, 121, 122, and the build of said parts, which you've already seen. Bit that I had trouble with, wheels and everything. I still haven't got any batteries to test that it works, but we'll get there. I'm more interested in the look rather than the running of it anyway. So that's the last bit we've just done, putting the running plates. So, Haunted Honeymoon, Wendy Goldman, newlywed, confronted by a malodorous entity. In one of the most famous deleted sequences. I don't remember any deleted. I've not really looked at any deleted sequences, but there we go. That's that. If you want to read all about it, if you already know about it, leave me know. Ghostbusters 2, yeah, because they had the new thing on the side, didn't they? Cool stuff, all good things. And this is the gurney. Right, I've got to figure out how to mount the gurney and stuff. Goes in the cargo area. There you go, all that stuff. So yeah, that's obviously showing me how it goes, and the trap looks like that's going to go on there as well. I'll get that loaded up and put in the car at some point, but I don't want to put it in there and rattle it around while I'm still moving it around for the next couple of build episodes. So yeah, we'll get there. All good stuff. The seed. One early idea for Ghostbusters 2 took place in the Scottish countryside. That's interesting. So yes, this is the next one, which I've already done. These videos are already up. You can go and watch them now. This is building the gurney. There we go. And then issue 34 is also up, I believe, as well. As might be 35 and 36. There's only one more to go that I've got to build. But all the others should be slotting into place in this playlist. So that is that. Thank you for watching this issue and this stage. I'll see you for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.